This is an Arctic Cat throttle body. As you can see, the connecting boot is dry rotted and it's cracked all the way around here. So I'm going to show you how to replace it. I've replaced a couple of these. One was a 2009, a 2012. This is the second 2008 XTX Prowler I've done that I'll be showing you on. So it could possibly affect 2005 to current full-size models, including the Prowlers. What we're looking at here is the little intake boot that connects the head to the throttle body. You can see your local dealer and they may get it fixed for you, or you can do it yourself and get the Arctic Cat part, which is this number right here. I'll leave it down in the description. It's around $15 from countrycat.com, or you can get a Gates coolant intake hose like I did for a few bucks at your local auto parts store. I'll leave a link in the description below with the Gates part number as well. We're going to get down to the throttle body, so we have to remove this air duct, the fuel line. To make this easier, we're going to remove this clip here, pull that out of the way, undo our air line, it'll just slip off the front of the air box. Might need to pry the bottom, get it loose, and there you go. Remove all these plugs. Okay, we'll get our plugs out of the way. Remove the throttle body by loosening up this screw here. And that screw there. Remove this cover, and you can loosen this and remove the throttle cable. Just loosen this nut here, and this whole throttle cable will just slide right off. Remove the throttle body assembly as one whole piece, and then we can get this cleaned up. Go ahead and clean all the pieces as you take them off. Now that we have the throttle body out, we can clean it up, wipe it off with a rag. So you'll use a cleaner, throttle body cleaner, and spray this out. This is the gasket we're replacing. You can see here that it's cracked. Take off this old piece. And we have a new 2-inch tubing. This is Gates pipe that I've used before. I've cut the exact width of this out of this pipe. Alright, we've got our new piece cut. Just use a chop saw to chop the rubber. So slip that on. Then we'll put our clamps back on. So you want to reinstall the throttle cable, tighten this nut back down on the throttle cable, reattach the throttle cable in the throttle body, then we can slip that back on to the head. Make sure your clamp ring is evenly on the rubber gasket so it clamps evenly. We can stick our air boot back on.
Alright,
Alright, so that's how to replace a cracked intake hose on your Arctic Cat. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.